Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And today I am bending metal. I thought I would bring you along and show you how to make an easy window flashing. So basically what we want is, we want it to look like this. So it's going to sit on the wall, it's going to go over the window frame and down, and then that's a mechanical flash for your windows. So we're going to start, I've already cut this 6 inches, and it's just flat. It's white on both sides. So if yours was white on one side and silver on the other, you turn it up with the silver is facing up before you do the next step. So what we're going to do is make a hem joint. And on this band mark bender, a hem joint, you're going to start right on the edge of your bender. It's going to stick out about 3/4. Clamp it, go all the way past, all the way over. We're going to over bend it. All right. Now some of these benders don't make hems. Once we got it bent like that, we're going to stick it under the press here, and we're going to just clamp it, and that's going to fold that over. Just clamp it down. All right. That's going to give us a nice stiff hem joint to work with. Now, the next step, we're going to bend a 90. We're going to leave it up just like it was. We're going to come out just where this clamps down past this hem, maybe an 1/8 past it. We're going to bend a 90. All right. We want it to come out because we don't want to be bending right on the edge of this hem. So that gives us a nice 3/4 inch lip. Now we're going to flip it over where it's facing like this. Stick it back in. Now on this particular bender, 3/4 bend is basically, if you just stick it in there like that and clamp it, you're at 3/4. So that's where I'm at. If you was bigger, you just measure, make a mark, clamp it at your mark, bend to 90. And there you go. That's what we want. And you want plenty of room up here, so if water does get behind your siding, it's got to get a long way up before it overcomes this mechanical flash. So I hope this helps you out, and I'll bring you along every now and then. I'm going to be bending more different types of flashing. But mainly it's this Z-type is what I've been bending. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, hint.